Hi guys, my name is Paige and I'm going to show you how to do a 4-strand braid. I'm not going to show you much of a style with it. At the end I might show you how to do like a little accent braid, but what I really want to focus on is just the braid itself, the 4-strand. I want to focus on how you're going to get there. It's really easy. I just have an easy pattern to follow. So once you get that pattern down, you can kind of play with it and make different styles of it, but I just really want to make sure that you get that braid down to begin with. So what you're going to want to do, I have my part line on the side, so I'm just going to work with my part line. If you have a middle part, just work with your part line. Or if you want to have it on mine, like a heavy side part, you can do that as well. But I'm going to grab a big enough section so that I can have even partings. So I'm going to go right here, and then you're going to grab about 3 fingers and just divide it, and that's going to make your 4 strands. See? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, I like things that are easy. I like patterns. I like formulas. If you can follow this, then you can do this braid in any style. So what I always like to do is you can either number them like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sometimes that gets a little confusing. So I'm just going to show you how I learned how to do this braid. So this first strand closest to me is always going to go over the one next to it. So the one closest to you goes over the one next to it. Now this furthest one, the 4th one, is always going to go underneath the one next to it. Now these strands in the middle are going to cross over each other. So just use your middle finger and pull that one through. So now this one is going to cross over the one next to it, go over it. This furthest one is going to go under, and then I'll use my middle finger to pull this one under the other one. So now goes over, goes under, and crosses in the middle. Goes over, goes under, and cross in the middle. Easy enough, right? So once you get that pattern down, you can kind of work with it however you want. There's so many different styles to it that you can work with. Okay, I'm just going to put an elastic on this just to show you what the braid is looking like. Isn't that pretty? It kind of looks like Game of Thrones, medieval. I think it's really pretty. So what you can do, you can pull it apart. I'm going to grab my favorite braiding product, my Braid Aid. Super important. Kind of tame these flyaways down. But like I said, I'm going to just show you how to do an accent braid. This is kind of just trying to show you the finished product of that 4-strand. Thank you guys so much for watching. So like I said, I was just going to show you how to do a little accent braid, and I just put it into a messy bun, but there's so many different styles that you can achieve now that you know how to do the 4-strand braid. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. I hope it was easy enough to understand, and go out there and get creative with this. So you can do so many different styles now that you know how to do the 4-strand braid, but if it is a little difficult for you, just practice over and over again. It'll get easier. So practice makes perfect, as they say. But thank you so much for watching. And if you could hit subscribe below, that would be awesome. Thank you.